Hello, today we are talking about 12 whelping kit must-haves on this episode of the Pet Care Pro Show. And we have a really big announcement that we are excited to share with everyone, so be sure to stick around to find out what that is. Now this is Gina, and she is a Revival Pet Care Pro. That means she is trained by our on-staff vet, and every day she answers lots of questions from our customers when it comes to whelping. Now one of the most common questions you get is, what do I need for whelping? And that is exactly what we are going to answer here today. They probably don't say it quite like that, but
sometimes,
you know, a little frantic sometimes. So Gina, when should folks start putting together their whelping kit?
I encourage customers to start putting together a whelping kit a few weeks before the due date. It's always better to be prepared early than add to your anxiety when puppies are on the way.
Great advice. So let's start looking at the list. Item number 1 is a digital thermometer. What is this used for?
24 hours before active labor begins, mom's temperature will drop by 1 whole degree. Keeping track of her temperature at the same time of day for the last 2 weeks of her pregnancy can tell you when she's getting close to whelping. So then you know to start getting prepared.
Okay, good to know. Item number 2 in our whelping kit is a puppy-safe disinfectant.
Yes, keeping the whelping area sanitary protects puppies from bacteria and disease. But not all disinfectants are safe to use around newborns. We suggest using chlorhexidine. It's non-toxic and safe for use in whelping and queening areas.
Okay, and now some cleaners are actually dangerous to the newborns. What should our audience avoid?
When cleaning whelping areas, avoid pine oil, phenols, bleach, quaternary ammonias. They are absorbed through puppies' thin skin and have been connected to fading puppy or kitten syndrome.
Okay. Now, whelping kit item number 3 is a calcium supplement. How does calcium help mom?
During whelping, we want mom to have effective contractions so she can get her puppies on the ground efficiently. We manage that with a calcium supplement like Breeder's Edge Oral Cal Plus. It's a fast-acting, absorbing, and easy to use during whelping. Don't hesitate to give us a call if using calcium to manage your whelping is new to you, or you can find all of the information on our Learning Center.
Okay, and that's at revivalanimal.com.
Yeah.
All sorts of information there.
Yeah.
Well, item number 4 on our whelping kit list is a whelping pad. Let's talk about those.
Whelping pads are liners that are washable and can be removed, cleaned, and returned to the whelping box. They're a nice alternative to a blanket that bunches up or moves around, and you don't want your mamas laying on your puppies or on wet blankets. Most people keep several on hand or layer them so that when one gets soiled, they roll it up and the clean one is underneath.
And speaking of whelping pads, it's time to unveil our big announcement.
Woo!
We are really excited because starting in November, only at Revival, we will have available the most absorbent washable whelping pads on the market.
That's so exciting. Yes, it's the Breeder's Edge washable pads, have a leak-proof design, and are the highest absorbency whelping pads on the market. They are great to place under mom's fanny after whelping is done. They absorb the uterine discharge and keep puppies' living area clean and dry. You'll want to use these the first few days. Having the highest absorbency rating on the market, they will keep your mamas clean and your puppies dry.
And you can really tell these feel
very
very
nice.
absorbent. Very nice. Well, keeping everyone dry is so important, and I know a lot of our breeders are very excited to try those out. Okay, moving on to the next whelping kit item is a Kelley Forceps. And with these, you actually recommend having 2 on hand.
Yep. A Kelley Forceps is a great tool for clamping an umbilical cord that is not separating. We recommend having 2 in case your mom is delivering her puppies at a pretty quick rate so that you can take care of 2 puppies born close together.
Okay. Now, item number 6 on our list is an umbilical cord clamp. These also, as their name implies, clamp the umbilical cord.
Absolutely. These plastic clamps crimp the cord and stop infection from getting to the baby. They keep mom from over cleaning the baby and making the umbilical cord too short. The nylon clamp will fall off on its own at about 5 days old.
Okay, and if you use the clamps, you still need to disinfect the umbilical cord.
That's true.
That leads us to item number 7, an umbilical cord disinfectant.
Yes, you'll want to have either strong iodine or Super 7 on hand to disinfect the umbilical cord. We don't want to chance getting an infection, and it speeds up the process of the umbilical stump drying up and falling off.
Sounds good. Moving on to item number 8. Some people may think exam gloves they're kind of optional, but it's actually a good idea to use them.
Yeah.
Why?
They, either a nitrile or a latex glove, keeps your hands from passing bacteria onto the puppies. So it just keeps your skin clean and keeps the puppies from getting any bacteria from you.
Good idea. Now, item number 9 is a bulb syringe, or as some people call them, snot suckers.
Dr. B's favorite. Yes, they're very useful. Bulb syringes remove amniotic fluid and clear the throat of the puppy or kitten.
Okay. Item number 10 is fairly straightforward, but some folks easily overlook having a scale on hand.
A scale is a good idea. A good quality scale is important. Weigh the puppies right after birth and then daily to make sure they're gaining enough weight each day.
Now, in a perfect world, mom would begin nursing the puppies immediately after birth, but that doesn't always happen, unfortunately. So that leads us to item number 11, a nursing kit.
A nursing kit with a bottle, nipples, milk replacers such as foster care. Keeping that on hand. You might have to step in. You have puppies that can't wait for mom's milk to come in. So you have to take charge and feed those puppies, and a bottle and milk replacer is all it takes.
Yep, hopefully you don't need to do that step, but
yes,
you will if you're ready.
You want to be ready.
Right. Now, if owners are concerned about mom's milk, is there anything they can do to be proactive?
Sure. Switching mom to Oxy Mama 1 week before giving birth helps give her the nutrients she needs. It helps her body stimulate milk production so that when the puppies are born, you're not waiting a day or two for milk to come in. She's ready. So milk-filled mammary glands after birth will eliminate the need for bottle feeding altogether.
That is the goal. Mom's milk is always best. Okay, the last item on our Whelping Kit list helps the newborns have the energy they need to be strong nursers right off the bat.
That's right. Mom's milk and colostrum are always best. But in addition, if a puppy is needing something a little extra, we recommend giving the newborn Breeder's Edge Nurture Mate. This is a colostrum substitute that supports digestion, helps give puppies and kittens the energy they need to nurse aggressively. It also is good to have on hand in case the mom has no milk or something would have happened to her.
Yes, very good. You always want to be prepared.
Yeah.
So what's on your list? What are your Whelping Kit must-haves? Leave your ideas in the comments below to share with the Revival community. And if you have any additional questions about whelping, don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-786-4751. Gina and our other pet care pros are always happy to help. And if you're watching this on YouTube, consider subscribing to the Revival Animal Health YouTube channel. I'm Shelley with the Revival Education Team. This is Gina, a Revival Pet Care Pro. Thank you so much for watching this Whelping Kit episode of the Pet Care Pro Show.
It is one of the fast absorbing.
Yeah. Today we are talking about 12 milk. I didn't know you were going to do it.
I'm totally going to do it.
Okay, we'll do it.